Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how to use turmeric powder to boil yam. It's very good. No, turmeric is very good in the body, and it wash, it reduce weight, and people that look for flat tummy, it's good for them too, and good for heart also. So some don't know, some don't like to use it and boil it and drink it. So if you don't want to boil it and drink it, you can use it and boil your yam and eat. So I'll use it and boil yam now. So the only thing I will do now is slice the yam in pieces, peel the back, wash it very well, put it in the pot. I'll show you if I'm doing it. And once again, Happy New Year, my viewer. I wish you with many years and good health and prosperity. So let's start our work. So keep watch as I want to do it. So guys can see I'll peel the yam, slice it. The only thing I will do now, wash it from water and put it in the pot. So I'll pour water in the pot. Put them in the pot. After putting them in the pot, you take pinch of salt like this to put. Then you take your turmeric powder to add. Add now. You now cover it and put it in the fire. So let's go to fire now. See, after put it in the fire, you leave it like 15 minutes to done before you bring it down. So I'll leave it now for 15 minutes to done. So keep washing. So guys, let's check the yam. Wow, it's done. Now off the light. I'll pack it from the water now. Wow. So guys can see how the color be very yummy. So if you boil it like this, you can make your sauce. Can make tomato sauce, can make chili sauce, can make beef sauce, chicken sauce, any sauce you want. You can make it and use it and eat it. If you like, you eat it like this. Doesn't matter. So if you want sauce with it, you make your sauce. Any type of sauce you want, you make your sauce and take and eat your turmeric boiled yam. So that is all for turmeric boiled yam. Please subscribe to my channel and comment for it. Once again, you are welcome to 2021. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.